Hello. Today in this video I will show you how to add contact form. Today in this video I will show without plugin we add contact form in our WordPress website. Okay. First create one page for contact page or contact form and add new. Write contact us and publish. Okay, and open your Google Drive and click the new. After new, here one option Google Form. Okay, and Google Form, and here three drop down: blank form, blank quiz and from a template. Here we choose first one, blank form, and here first is title. Contact us. Next name, and right hand side here the drop down short answer, paragraph, multiple choice. Here short answer we choose. Okay, and here is the require field. Click the require option and click the three dot. Response validation means this name do not write any number here. Okay, text only. Here enter your name and add new name. Next is email ID, here required. Okay, next plus icon, so mobile number, short answer and required. Click the three dot and response validation, here only number, and next is greater than, less than 11. Okay, enter your mobile number and click the plus icon. Gmail, message, just paragraph automatically added and required. Next just send button, click the send button and copy the embed code. Okay, just copy here, and here we width and height manually added, default 640 and 805. Copy this one and go to our contact us page. Click the plus icon, open custom HTML and paste here and update. Open view page. Our contact us form is add in my website. Okay, and first add and submit. Must contain enter your name. Okay, refresh, reload. Okay, and for email ID, go to the Google contact form. Click the three dot, responsive validation, the number, text, and content is email. Okay, and refresh again and try to input here. Okay, this field, mobile number, greater than 10. Refresh, message hello, and submit. Your response has been recorded. Go to form and here is response. Click the response, name Devjit, email ID this one, and mobile number and message. Okay, this way you can, without plugin, add contact form in your WordPress website. Thank you.